and welcome to another weekly vlog. It is Wednesday today and it's my first full day back at home, getting on with work. I'm very excited, feeling very inspired. I had a good old brainstorm of kind of videos and content that I want to film soon this morning, and I've also been editing last week's vlog. I'm planning on having a no makeup day today just because I want to give my skin a bit of a rest, but I do need to pop out at some point to do a little bit of a food shop because I have no food in the house at the moment. I just wanted to say thank you so much for everyone who said that my skin was looking nice in my first vlog of the year. It was really nice to read all of those comments. It's been a year since I finished Accutane now, and I hadn't kind of sat back and thought like how great my skin is and how great it's been in a while, so that made me really happy. I do still have some scarring on my face. I think you can see I've had a few kind of little spots here and there, nothing major, but some of them have left a bit of redness, and I just still in general have some scarring on this cheek, which is kind of has been taking such a long time to fade. But I found a product, let me go and get it. It's designed and developed for people who have scarring to help fade it faster, so I'm going to show you that now. Oh, I left it in my bathroom, haven't I? Where should I put you? Here, can you see me? Yes. Yeah, I wanted to mention this because so many of you comment asking me if I found anything that works great for scars, and I'm going to be trying this out. It's from a brand called Science of Skin, and it is the Solution for Scars cream. It looks like this. I've just started using it and I wanted to kind of do it before, and then in a couple of weeks time I'm going to show you if I've had any improvement and show you the difference, stuff like that. So it says on it here, it's clinically proven to reduce the thickness of scars, reduce the appearance of redness, and soothe and calm the skin. And I've just started using it and my first impressions are great. It's really nice, really moisturising, nice and thick, and you massage it into the kind of affected areas until it's all absorbed. It can be used on surgical scars, burns, bumps, grazes, chickenpox, acne and eczema. I'm obviously going to be using it for my acne scarring. I'll show you that properly in a second. So it looks like this. It's a nice thick cream and it has a naturally active green tea extract called EGCG, which is clinically proven to target the causes of scarring. So I'm just rubbing it in the areas that I need it most, mostly my cheeks and around my chin here. I'll show you this properly in a sec. Oh, I've also got a little bit of a scar up here as well, so I'm gonna massage it in there as well. I've also got a discount code if any of you want to try this. Discount code is KT15. I will leave a link and more information about it below, and KT15 it will get you 15% off this product. So let me know if you're going to try it along with me. That would be really fun if we got to try it together. So let's do a quick before. I've used it a couple of times already, so you can see I've got a lot of acne scarring here as well, and on this cheek generally it's just a bit red and dotty. I've got a lot around here. And also this isn't targeted towards people who have active acne, by the way. It's targeted towards people who have acne scarring left over. So if you've been on Accutane and your skin's now perfect, this is perfect for you. So yeah, no real active spots apart from perhaps this one, which will be gone soon, and then I'll start using it on that. But yeah, this whole area I want to target. Very excited to see how I get on with that. So my plans are for the day, I want to edit my last week's vlog. I want to write 2 blog posts. I kept putting these blog posts off. I really need to write them. I also need to do a bit of a food shop, unpack my suitcase, and yeah, should be a nice day. It's nearly 1 o'clock and I haven't eaten yet today, so I'm going to be naughty and try this. I bought this from the supermarket in Paris yesterday. I'm not the best at French, but I'm guessing this is like a fancy Nutella without milk, because it says sans lait, without milk. Am I right? If you do talk French, do let me know if I've got this right. But I'm going to try it out on some toast with a cup of tea now. Interesting. It's like a very dark chocolate. Maybe that's what it means, like dark chocolate rather than milk chocolate. I don't know. I'll eat it though, it's great. Video is edited. It's now nearly 3 o'clock. That took a long time. I'm gonna quickly pop to the shops before it gets dark now, just to get some ingredients for dinners over the next couple of days. I've just been looking at some recipes and I've decided that I want to make a couple of veggie dishes this week. I really want to make a sagaloo. because I just fancy it. And I would also quite like to make some like black bean tacos as well over the next couple of days, so I just need to pop out and get some ingredients for those dinners. I am going to leave the house in this outfit. I'm wearing these amazing trousers that I got from ASOS. Oh gosh, must have been about 4 years ago now. I used to live in these, but I haven't worn them in a really long time. They're just like baggy trousers. I like how they're baggy at the top and quite tight at the bottom, and I'm just wearing it with a black top and a black jumper. Need to take my bare slippers off. Food shop done. I also got my housemates some nice purple lilies for looking after Echo whilst I was away, and stocked up on some very cheap Christmas wrapping. Saves me buying it next year. So I'm gonna go home and then I'll show you properly what I've picked up. Would anyone like to see what I picked up from Tesco? Fanto Zero Sugar. Love this stuff. It was on offer. It was like £1 for all these 6 cans. I've got a couple Oatly milks because they were on offer too. Orange juice. I got some cumin and garam masala for my sag aloo. I also got some coriander, tomatoes, garlic, onions. 2 little ripe avocados. I just chucked both of these on the floor though, so they're probably going to be bruised, but they were on offer too, like 49p, which I've never seen avocado so cheap before. Also for my sagaloo, I've got some, I needed just normal curry paste, but this is the only one I could find. I might not use it actually because I've got these. Coconut milk just for a later date, spinach and potatoes, sour cream, acetone to take these gel nails off with because I've had them on way too long, some eggs for egg on toast, and some little wraps. What I really need is a spice rack for all of my spices because I don't really use them otherwise because I can never see what I've got. I'm going to put all this away and then get on with some work. It is 20 to 7. I'm just making my dinner. I've decided to go for the sag aloo tonight, and I'm following a recipe that I found on YouTube. I'll leave a link to it down below. Everything's going well apart from the potatoes are taking so long to cook because you're not boiling them beforehand. You're kind of like steaming them in the pan with the tomato kind of base masala that I've made from scratch with cumin seeds and a bit of hot sauce and all that. I'm going to add some garam masala at the end as well. Just added my spinach, now we're waiting for it to wilt. I don't know how good this is going to be. I went a bit off recipe, so we'll see. Here it is. I mean, it looks amazing. I'm actually really happy about how I did. Just confirmed with brother. I'm getting that ready. I've got a garlic naan in the oven as well. We're just waiting for that. But I don't want this to get cold, so I'm got to eat it now. Fingers crossed it's nice. It looks good. Thumbs up. Hello from my little bear. Mwah. Would you like some treats? Yep. One for me, one for you. Dinner was good. Wasn't too bad. I would definitely make it again. I saved loads so I can have it for like lunches and dinners over the next couple of days. But yeah, it was good. I'll leave a link down below. Just come up to my room. I've been working in the living room all day, which has been nice. Just a little bit more bright and airy. I just remembered that this came in the post today and I haven't opened it yet because I've been saving to open on the vlog. I have no idea what's inside, but they've printed wrapping paper with my Instagram pictures on. I love the pictures they've chose. They're really like vibrant and bright and pastel shades, and they all go together really well. How cool is it? So I'm going to open this now. I've already had a peek in, but I didn't want to ruin it. It's this box and it's from a brand. Now I don't know how to say this. Is it CO? And it's a new makeup brand exclusively at Boots, which is exciting. The new affordable beauty brand on the high street, and it's hashtag mix layer hack. So it's like, I'm guessing, just playing around with different types of products and mixing and matching. What is this? It's a Rubik's Cube. That is so cool. So much attention to detail has gone into this. Metallic liquid lipstick, lipstick and liner, contour stick, that sounds great. Shadow liner and mascara in one. Wow, these eyeshadows look great. They remind me of L'Oreal do some like this. It reminds me of that. I am all ready for bed now. Just got a pint of water and put my Science of Skin scarring cream on, ready to go to sleep. I will see you tomorrow. Hey everyone, welcome to Thursday's vlog. It's like 12:30. I've been up finishing a blog post. I still haven't posted my 2017 roundup, but it's because it's so hefty. I do like a breakdown of each month with pictures and it's just taking so long to put together, but hopefully I'll get that finished tomorrow. I'm just getting ready to go to the hairdressers now. I'm going to my favourite salon, which is the Samantha Cusick salon in Ladbroke Grove, kind of Notting Hill area, and we're going to get rid of these dastardly roots. Look how long they are. My hair grows so quick. I think last time I had them done was October, so like 3 months, and they're so long, so I cannot wait to get rid of them. I've also asked for like another lilac grey tint, so I'm really excited to get my kind of purple lilac-y hair back. I'm just packing my bag. I am going to take my Kindle because I need to finish reading the book. I've got my next book club this Saturday. We're going to do it at the pub where my sister had her engagement party. It's kind of a local pub in Barking, and we're going to go for a cheeky Nando's beforehand, which I'm very much looking forward to. So I think I've got 2 hours left on this book according to Kindle, so I'm hoping I'll smash loads of it out on the train on the way there and back, because it's like an hour each way, and then I can read some in the salon as well. I'm also going to take my iPad because I am filming a lookbook slash some like fashion content with Kyle Galvin soon, I think next week, and I need to order my outfits for it basically, so I'm hoping that I can borrow the salon's Wi-Fi and have a good old browse of Topshop and Zara and order loads of stuff for that. Don't need my bullet journal. I will take some makeup. Also, I wanted to show you this. I know this is really old news, but I have just ordered this book and it came yesterday. Milk and Honey by Rupi Kaur. I have wanted this for a really long time. It's like the Instagram poetry book, and I'm so happy that I've got it. Can't stop reading. They're beautiful, beautiful poems about like love and heartache, so I highly recommend this. If you haven't got it already, I'll leave a link for it down below. I'm kind of tempted to take this as well, but I think this is one that I'd prefer to read snuggled up on the sofa with a cup of tea in my own home. Got myself a mermaid martini here, and the bleach is on. Look at this! I've just got home straight into the PJs, obsessed with my new hair. OMG, it's just perfect. Marie at the Samantha Cusick salon did it. I'll leave her Instagram down below. I'm just so happy with it. She got it exactly how I wanted it. I asked for like a lilac-y silver grey. I mean, this isn't the best lighting. I'll show you properly in tomorrow's natural lighting, but it's so beautiful. Absolutely no roots. Oh, I feel like a new woman. I've got straight home and put my dinner on. For some reason, I've decided to be really adventurous and cook black beans from scratch, because I really want to make like black bean veggie tacos tonight. I've got some avocado, like cheese, onion, coriander and sour cream, so I thought it might be quite nice to make them. But black beans from scratch take hours. I got home at like 7:30 and now it's 8:30, so they have been cooking for almost an hour now, but they're still not done yet. I'm simmering them in a pan with some crushed garlic, water and salt, and I just need them to kind of soak and go really creamy. Yeah, they're still quite hard, so I'm going to let that cook for another half an hour hopefully, and then I can make some tacos. Get creamy, little guys, come on. I am pretty sure this is going to be one of the best dinners I've ever made. My black beans turned out great, beautiful and creamy. I've got sour cream, hot sauce, cheese, avocado, onion, coriander, and I've got some sweet corn and onion as well. So I'm going to wrap all this up. I'm so excited. Look how good this looks. Hey everyone, I hope you're well. So today is Saturday. I didn't vlog yesterday in the end just because I was at home working all day. I filmed 2 videos and then I went to see my parents in the evening just for a little bit of a takeaway. It was really nice. I am out pretty much all day today. I'm meeting up with my best friends and we're going to go for lunch. I think we've chosen a Bill's, so I'm meeting them on Oxford Street, and then tonight I have got my book club, so we're going to go for a Nando's. There's a lot of food involved today, so I'm going to have something quite light at Bill's, maybe a salad or something, because I'm really looking forward to a cheeky Nando's basically. I thought I'd quickly show you what I am wearing. I am wearing this, like, I love this colour, I don't know what to call it, like a mauvey pink, peachy pink, and I'm wearing my jeans. I haven't worn these in ages, but they are the Topshop kind of ripped grey Joni jeans. Petite, so that they fit my legs properly. I'm also going to put on a jumper that I bought from Sainsbury's just before Christmas, I think. It was in the sale, which was amazing, and it's just like a nice grey knit with kind of like a high neck. Excuse the mess behind me. As I said, I was filming all day yesterday, and so my room just gets so messy when I film. I am all ready to leave now. Packed my bag, put my jumper on. I think I mentioned this, I've been breaking out in eczema everywhere. Well, today I've woken up with a gammy eye. I don't know if you can see that. I've like lathered so much cream on, but I've got like a double eyelid because I've got an eczema patch on this eye. So I'm not wearing any eyeshadow today. It's so annoying. I hope it goes by the time I have a lash lift next week, because otherwise that will look really bad. Just got to Carnaby Street, so I'm walking to meet the girls now. So busy in London today, blimey. Chin chin. This is my salad and halloumi sticks. So we've had a lovely lunch at Bill's. I had a chicken salad and now we're just doing a little bit of shopping. I popped into Hummingbird Bakery to get some cupcakes for my sister because we forgot to get her a birthday cake. So I'm going to give those to her tonight. Just having a great day with my favourite people. Hey! We're just coming to Lush and I'm buying some bits because I want to do a Lush haul soon. I don't know if you can hear me, it's so loud. But yeah, I'm going to do a Lush haul, so stay tuned on my channel for that. Look at all these. Is anyone else getting anything?
I might get some. There you go.
Cute!
One under the tap.
That's such a good idea.
No smell.
No smell. Okay, so we've just found this, which is exclusive to Oxford Street store, and it's to celebrate the Chinese New Year. Look! A little dragon. I'm gonna get one. He smells like cinnamon, I think. Nice?
So good. And it would be really good for you.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's amazing. With my mum, we're at Nando's now. Eating before the book club. There's someone doing karaoke at this bar, so we're having to shout our book club. But we're just putting in our suggestions for the next book now. And we haven't got a hat, so we're gonna have to do it in someone's hood.
Let's go.
Is that everyone? We're still writing. Becky's choosing the book. Shake it. I hope it's mine. I hope it's a good one, guys. I am now home from book club with my little bear, who I've just given some tomato and cucumber. I think she's very happy. Book club was really fun, but I couldn't vlog very much because it was so loud. We ended up in Wetherspoons after we spoke about the book. We didn't really like the book. It's called 99 Red Balloons, but none of us really enjoyed it. I think it got a 2 out of 5 overall. So my book got chosen as next month's, which it's called Bird Box. I'll leave a link to that down below as well. So if any of you want to read along with us, then do. Just under a month to read it, but it's only a small book. I think I'll read it in a couple of days. Where is Echo gone? There she is. Are you hiding? So cute. I love her so much. What are you doing? That did look like you were having a wee. Now you're having a wash. She's so cute. Isn't that the cutest thing you've ever seen? You enjoying that? It's midnight. I've just put the kettle on so I can make myself a peppermint tea and a hot water bottle. My eye is giving me proper aggro today. Look how sore it looks. So fingers crossed some coconut oil on it tonight will help a lot. But yeah, it doesn't look good, does it? It looks a bit gammy. You're still going? Oh, you're on the tomato now. She looks like she's enjoying that, doesn't she? She's never done this before when I've given her food. So this is really cute for me. She's so cute. I'm going to say goodnight now. I hope you've enjoyed this weekly vlog. Be sure to check out the description box for links. And I will see you on Sunday for a main channel video and next Wednesday for another weekly vlog. Mwah.